Welcome to today's video, Germany, a land of innovation, rich history, and endless opportunities. Known for its strong economy, world-class engineering, and high quality of life. It's no wonder that thousands of people from around the globe dream of working here. But how do you turn that dream into reality? How do you navigate the process of finding and securing a job in Germany? Whether you're a recent graduate, a skilled professional, or someone looking for a fresh start, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive in. Number 1. Understanding the German job market. First things first, let's understand the German job market. Germany has one of the lowest unemployment rates in Europe, and its economy is driven by industries like engineering, IT, healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. The country is also facing a skilled labor shortage, especially in fields like nursing, software development, and engineering. This means there are plenty of opportunities for qualified professionals. But before you start applying, it's important to know what employers are looking for. German companies value qualifications, experience, and language skills. So, if you're serious about working in Germany, you'll need to prepare accordingly. Number 2. Researching and choosing the right job. Step 1. Research. Start by identifying the industries and roles that match your skills and experience. Popular job portals like LinkedIn, Stepstone, and Indeed are great places to start. You can also check the websites of specific companies you're interested in. Make a list of positions that interest you and note the requirements. Pay close attention to the language requirements. While many international companies in Germany operate in English, knowing German can significantly boost your chances, especially for smaller companies or roles that require interaction with local clients. Number 3. Preparing your application. Once you've identified the right job, it's time to prepare your application. In Germany, a standard job application typically includes a resume Lebenslauf, a cover letter Anschreiben, and copies of your qualifications and references. Your resume should be clear, concise, and tailored to the job you're applying for. Include your personal details, education, work experience, and any relevant skills or certifications. Germans value precision, so make sure there are no typos or errors. Your cover letter is equally important. It's your chance to explain why you're the perfect fit for the role. Be specific about how your skills and experience align with the job description. And remember, Germans appreciate professionalism, so keep the tone formal and polite. Number 4. The importance of language skills. Let's talk about language. While it's possible to find English-speaking jobs in Germany, learning German can open many doors. Even basic German skills can make a big difference, especially when it comes to networking and integrating into the workplace. If you're serious about working in Germany, consider taking a German language course. There are many online resources and language schools that offer classes for all levels. And don't worry if you're not fluent right away. Employers appreciate the effort and willingness to learn. Number 5. Networking and building connections. Networking is a key part of the job search process in Germany. Many jobs are filled through personal connections and referrals, so it's important to build a strong professional network. Start by connecting with professionals in your field on LinkedIn. Join industry-specific groups and participate in discussions. You can also attend networking events, job fairs, and conferences to meet potential employers and colleagues. Don't be afraid to reach out to people for informational interviews. Most professionals are happy to share their experiences and advice. Building relationships takes time, but it can lead to valuable opportunities down the line. Number 6. Understanding the visa and work permit process. Once you've secured a job offer, the next step is to sort out your visa and work permit. The process can vary depending on your nationality, so it's important to check the requirements on the German embassy or consulate website in your country. Generally, you'll need a valid passport, a job contract, proof of qualifications, and sometimes proof of health insurance. Some visas also require proof of financial stability. Make sure to gather all the necessary documents and submit your application as early as possible, as processing times can vary. Number 7. Settling into life in Germany. Congratulations! You've landed a job in Germany. Now it's time to settle in and make the most of your new life. Germany offers a high quality of life with excellent healthcare, public transportation, and a rich cultural scene. One of the first things you'll need to do is register your address at the local town hall known as the Bürgeramt. You'll also need to open a bank account, get health insurance, and familiarize yourself with the local customs and traditions. Germans value punctuality, efficiency, and respect for rules, so keep that in mind as you navigate daily life. And don't forget to explore the country, whether it's the bustling cities, picturesque villages, or stunning landscapes. Germany has something for everyone. Number 8. Final tips and encouragement. Finding a job in Germany may seem daunting, but with the right preparation and mindset, it's entirely achievable. Here are a few final tips to keep in mind. Be patient and persistent. The job search process can take time, so don't get discouraged. Keep learning, whether it's improving your German or gaining new skills. Continuous learning will set you apart. Stay organized. Keep track of your applications, deadlines, and documents. Be open to opportunities. Sometimes, the perfect job may not be what you initially envisioned. Remember, moving to a new country is a big step, but it's also an incredible opportunity for growth and adventure. So take the leap, and who knows? Your dream job in Germany might be just around the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to stay updated. Germany is waiting for you. With determination, preparation, and a bit of courage, you can make it happen. Good luck!